Hello everyone, welcome once again on your own channel Computer Classes at Home, and now we are going to talk about internet services. Yes, internet services, particularly we will talk about microblogging. What is microblogging? Microblogging is a new form of communication in which users can describe their status in short posts distributed by small messages, mobile phones, email, digital audio or the web. Means these messages can be sent through mobile phones, email or from any kind of other service. But the concept is to send small messages or short posts. What are the different services through which this microblogging is achieved? So you can see we have some examples: Twitter, Tumblr, Plug and Jeku. These are some of the services through which we can have the microblogging. Particularly we are going to talk about Twitter. Yes, Twitter is an online social networking site, that is www.twitter.com, that allow users to send and receive text-based messages, and we call these text-based messages as tweets. And one thing we need to remember is they are restricted up to 280 characters. Next is, with a Twitter account, we can choose to follow other members and receive their tweets on your page. Yes, of course, when we create the account, at that time we need to specify which particular members we want to follow, and only from them we would be receiving the tweets on our page. Moreover, there are other people also, they can follow us, right? And due to which Twitter has gained worldwide popularity and has become one of the top 10 most visited websites on the internet. Why? Because when we follow someone, we are receiving tweets from them, and if somebody is following us, that means whatever we share on the web, that is being received by other people also, and that's why it has been described as the SMS of the internet. Now, if we see at the screen, this is the first thing which comes when we create an account, and it asks for the things where we are interested. Like here I have mentioned Hindi music and comedy and humor. The next thing is the personality which we want to follow. Say here I have mentioned for Bill Gates and Barack Obama. And the next thing is the screen which appears by default when we log in into the Twitter account. So I would like to show you the screen how it comes when we log into the Twitter. So as you can see at the left side, we have different menu like home, explore, notification, messages, bookmarks, profile and many more. And here we have the scroll through which we can get down to see the notification from PMO India, then Amitabh Bachchan, and then if we get down further, we can look for Gates Foundation, right? So again here we have something from Barack Obama. So we can find people what they have put up on the Twitter, and that is being shown to us because we are following them. And if we want to follow somebody else also, that is also possible, and we need to simply click on follow, and then we will be able to receive the notifications from them as well. So this is something about Twitter. And you know what? Twitter is actually something through which we are able to access something new from different personality. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep watching and keep sharing it. Thank you so much.